this video we are going to discuss exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle and its property. So first we have to discuss exterior angle. Exterior angle. So for that, let us now consider one triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is there. Here you have to define exterior angle for triangle ABC. So first point, exterior angle. So exterior angle is always formed between, side of triangle, given triangle and another side which is produced from the another side of triangle, that is first important point. What is exterior angle? So exterior angle is the angle which is formed between one side of triangle and another side which is produced from the side of given triangle. How? So here we have to produce the side from the side of given triangle. So what is the meaning of this produce? So here I am producing point D from side BC. So what is the meaning of producing side BC to point D? So producing side BC to point D is nothing but you have to extend this BC up to point D. That is known as producing side BC to the point D. So here we are getting one point D. So this is known as produced side of side BC. So here one angle is formed. That angle is angle ACD. So here that angle ACD is nothing but the exterior angle of the triangle. Angle ACD is nothing but the exterior angle of triangle ABC. That exterior angle of triangle ABC is nothing but the angle formed between one side of triangle and another side which is produced from the another side of the triangle. So this side CD is nothing but the produced side from the side BC of triangle ABC. Clear, students? So here angle ACD is known as exterior angle of the triangle ABC, and these two angles, angle A and angle C, are known as exterior opposite angles. Angle A and angle B, these two angles are known as interior opposite angles. Angle A and angle B are known as interior opposite angle for the exterior angle ACD. And if we are considering this exterior angle ACD for this exterior angle ACD, this exterior angle ACD is formed with the angle C of the triangle. So C के अलावा ट्राइंगल के कितने दो एंगल है? कौन से दो एंगल? एंगल A एंड एंगल B, है ना. हम यहाँ पर एक्सटीरियर एंगल वर्टेक्स C पर फॉर्म कर रहे हैं. ट्राइंगल के होते हैं टोटल 3 वर्टेक्स A, वर्टेक्स B एंड वर्टेक्स C. तो C पर तो हमने एक्सटीरियर एंगल फॉर्म कर दिया. तो C के अलावा ट्राइंगल के कितने दो वर्टेक्स बाकी रहे? वर्टेक्स A एंड वर्टेक्स B. तो जो वर्टेक्स पर जो एंगल फॉर्म होते हैं, दैट टू एंगल्स आर नोन एज interior opposite angles for this exterior angle ACD. Done? 3 points. Exterior angle. So what is the exterior angle? Exterior angle कहाँ पर होता है? Exterior angle is formed between one side of triangle and another side which is produced from the another side of the triangle. एक साइड को कंसिडर कर लिया और उसके लिए साइड ट्राइंगल की दूसरी कोई साइड है उसको प्रोड्यूस करके जो साइड मिलती है वो दोनों साइड के बीच में जो एंगल बनता है उसको हम बोलेंगे एक्सटीरियर एंगल. सो आफ्टर फॉर्मिंग एक्सटीरियर एंगल वी आर गेटिंग टू interior opposite angles. So these are the two interior opposite angles, and this is known as interior adjacent angle. This angle C है ना, एंगल C मतलब कंफ्यूजन होता है कि एंगल C ACD या फिर एंगल AC that is ACB. So here we can say एंगल ACB है ना, एंगल ACB. This angle is known as interior adjacent angle. Interior adjacent angle. Interior adjacent angle है ना, एक्सटीरियर एंगल के साथ वो एडजेसेंट एंगल है. सो इट इज नोन एज इंटीरियर एडजेसेंट एंगल. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? एंड प्रॉपर्टी इज देयर एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ द ट्राइंगल है ना, एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी दैट यू हैव टू प्रूव है ना. एग्जाम में आएगा स्टेट एंड प्रूव एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी. Exterior angle property. So we have to prove this exterior angle property. So what is exterior angle property? According to exterior angle property, the exterior angle of the triangle, that is ACD, is always equal to its sum of interior opposite angles. So ACD is always equal to angle A plus angle B. Done? Exterior angle is always equal to its sum of interior opposite angles. That is known as exterior angle property. Exterior angle is always equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Done? ये हम प्रूव करेंगे. उसके बाद total how many exterior angles are there for any given triangle? So if we consider this vertex C, so for this vertex C we can extend this side BC or we can extend this side AC. So for this vertex C we are having two possibilities to obtain exterior angle है ना. For every vertex we are having two possibilities to obtain the exterior angle and total 3 vertices are there. So we can get maximum 6 exterior angle for any given triangle. So total number of 6 exterior angles are there for any given triangle. We can form total 6 exterior angles for a given triangle, and out of that 6 exterior angle we have considered only one, that is angle ACD is the exterior angle for the triangle ABC. Clear? Now we have to prove this exterior angle property. So what is the exterior angle property? Exterior angle property is angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Exterior angle of the triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle, and we have to prove this property. So our theorem, it will be asked in your exam as a theorem. State and prove exterior angle property of the triangle. So first you have to write down the statement. So statement is exterior angle of triangle. Exterior angle of triangle. Exterior angle of triangle is always equal to its sum of interior opposite angles. That is exterior angle property. Exterior angle of the triangle is always equal to its sum of interior opposite angles. This is the statement. Then you have to draw the diagram. So let's draw diagram. The diagram must be neat and clean. So this is our triangle ABC. Again we have to draw the exterior angle. So exterior angle is nothing but the angle formed between one side of triangle and another side which is produced from the sides. So here side BC is produced to get point D. And a statement पर गौर करो. BC is produced to get point D. So here BC is extended from B to C side. So here angle ACD is exterior angle. So this is given. So given triangle ABC is given triangle. So triangle ABC is given. To prove, what you have to prove? We have to prove that exterior angle of the triangle, the exterior angle of triangle is nothing but the ACD, is equal to its sum of interior opposite angles, angle A plus angle B. That you have to prove. Done? Now proof. So to prove this, what we are doing, we are taking one construction, and that construction we are drawing one line which is parallel to this BA. So through this point C, draw one line which is parallel to AB and getting point C, A, B, C, D. Consider point E is there. Done? So now first statement, draw line CE which is parallel to line AB, है ना. दिस लाइन AB है ना, ये हालांकि लाइन सेगमेंट है लेकिन इसको हम लाइन कंसिडर करें, ये दोनों लाइन पैरेलल लाइन है. डन. सो लेट्स डिफाइन दिस एंगल्स. सो दिस इज एंगल नंबर 1, this is angle number 2, and this is angle number 3, and this is angle number 4, है ना. ये इजीएस्ट रहेगा हमारे लिए. सो नाउ what you have to prove? You have to prove angle ACD. What is angle ACD? Angle ACD is angle 3 plus 4 equal to angle A plus B, which is equal to 1 plus 2. So now here you can write AB is parallel to CE. So AB parallel to line CE, and we can say that AC is its transversal. AB parallel to CE, है ना. These two lines are parallel line. AB parallel to CE, है ना. इसको आप डॉटेड करके लाइन कंसीडर कर सकते हो, है ना. AB parallel line. Done. So these two lines are parallel, and this AC is transversal. What is transversal? Transversal is the line will intersect two lines at two different points. So AC is transversal. So when transversal intersect two parallel lines, alternate interior angles are formed, and that alternate interior angles are equal. So here angle 1 and this angle 3 are alternate interior angle. Check it. Total 4 interior angles are there, and angle 1 and 3 are alternate interior angles, and alternate interior angles are equal, and therefore we can write, what we can write, angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Reason is alternate interior angles. Clear students? Alternate interior angles are equal. So angle 1 equal to angle 3. Say this one as a result number 1. Now same way we can say that AB parallel CE, AB parallel to CE, and line BC is its transversal. Line BC is transversal. So this one is transversal line. AB parallel C, and this one is transversal. Done. So here angle 2 and 4 are corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are equal. Angle 2 equal to angle 4, and reason is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Say this one as a result 2. Done. So now next step, we have to prove exterior angle. Exterior angle is angle ACD. Exterior angle ACD So exterior angle ACD is nothing but the sum of the two angles 3 and 4. So exterior angle equal to sum of the angle 3 and 4. These are the two adjacent angles. So 3 is angle ACE and angle 4 is angle ECD. So sum of these two angles is nothing but the angle ACD. So now we can replace this 3 with angle 1 from result 1 plus replace this angle 4 with angle 2 from result 2. So from result 1 and result 2 we can replace this angle 3 with result angle 3 with angle 1 and angle 4 with 2. So what is angle 1 plus 2? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is nothing but the angle A plus angle B. So here ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Hence it is proved. Clear, students? So this is how you can prove that exterior angle of the triangle is equal to its sum of interior opposite angles. Clear, students? Pause the video and note it down.